Today we're going to learn about adding fractions with unlike denominators and why we have to get the denominators to be the same before we can add them. So I'm going to use a model to explain this so that you can understand why we have to do that. So if we have a problem like this one that says add 3/4 plus 1/2. So we cannot add these together because the denominators aren't the same. And let's review why we can't do that. So if we take a block and we use this to represent 3/4. So this is 1, 2, 3 out of 4, right? So this is 3/4. And this is the same block, but it's only cut into half. So this represents 1/2. So you see how we can't add these together because they're not the same sizes, but the blocks need to be cut in the same number of pieces before we can add them together. So here's this one again, and now for the half, we're going to cut it into the same number of pieces as this one. We haven't changed its value, we've only just cut it up into 4 pieces instead of 2. So now we could add this actually. So that would equal 1 whole piece plus 1, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, it fills up 1 whole 1. And then this is the 1 piece by itself. So we went from this, now we can represent in numbers. So this is 3/4 plus 2/4 equals 1 and 1/4. Okay? So how did we go from here to here? We multiplied the top and the bottom by 2 to get the denominators of both fractions the same. So that's all we did. And that's a picture representation of how that works. And this is something that you'll remember and take with you whenever you have to do these kinds of fractions calculations. So if you don't understand this right away, don't worry, you could just rewatch the video. You're probably just one explanation away from getting it. Anyone can do this. Also, make sure to take a look at the description. I have links there to other videos of mine that are related to this. As well, make sure to download the ebook. In the ebook, there's this exact lesson, and there's a link to this video. You could click on the link and you could follow along in the ebook as you watch this video lesson. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.